many ways people helped the Underground Railroad. Some provided shelter and food for escaping slaves. Others donated money to pay for escapees' train and boat tickets. Still others worked to help escapees find jobs once they were free. It is estimated that the Underground Railroad helped more than 100,000 slaves escape between 1810 and 1850. My escape from slavery. It was dark the night the conductor came to get me. My parents had arranged for my escape, but I didn't know any of the details. Where, where will I go? Who will help me? What if I got caught? The conductor helped me find a path through the fields and the woods. We arrived at a house where people gave me dinner and a pallet to sleep on. I wish I could have slept better. I was too scared to sleep. The next days were a blur. I moved from house to house. Each trip was terrifying because I was constantly afraid of getting caught and sent back to the plantation. Eventually, I arrived in Canada, where I got a job in a shipyard. It was hard work, but I didn't care. I was free. Number one, what is one way the two selections are different? A. The first selection gives a history of the Underground Railroad, but the second provides a first person account. B. The first selection gives information, but the second selection tries to get you to do something. C. The first selections explain how the Underground Railroad worked, but the second tells why it exists. D. The first selection tells about the present, but the second selection tells about the past. Justify your answer below. Second, one way the selections are alike is that both A. Tell stories about people's escapes to freedom. B. Are about the Underground Railroad. C. Describes the process of building a railroad. D. Provides details about the Civil War. Justify your answer below. What does the second selection do that the first selection does not? A. Provide details of a personal experience. B. Give information about history. C. Describe why the Underground Railroad was created. D. Argues why the Underground Railroad was important. Justify your answer below.